Top 5 Best Kitchen Island Carts. Discover the top kitchen island carts of 2023. If you're lacking storage and countertop space in your kitchen, but do not want to incur the hefty expense of remodeling to rectify the situation, consider buying one of these kitchen island carts instead. For a fraction of the price of any renovations, they can instantly provide you with a handy place to prepare meals and store dishes, pots, pans, utensils, cutlery and more. Homestyle's Dolly Madison Kitchen Cart. Borum Sonoma Kitchen Cart. Linen Kitchen Island Granite. Whitmore Supreme Kitchen and Microwave Cart.
To think about where you want, bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down man. Where you want, bucky down gun. Get cracking, get
Assemble the kitchen cart and the first step.
to think about where you want, bucky down gun. Where you want that pie down man. Where you want, bucky down gun. Get cracking, get.
Visit our site reviewparks.com link in the description box. Like, comment.